Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, today we will discuss about a previous year question of IIT JEE. So this is a mathematics question. So let's see how to solve this. So first of all, it is given that let alpha and beta be two roots of the equation of x square plus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then what is the value of alpha power 15 plus beta power 15? Okay. So let's do this. So here solution is like here equation is given x square plus 2x plus 2 equal to 0, right? So first we try to factorize this. Okay, I will add plus 1 then minus 1 plus 2 equal to 0. Then why I did this? Because if I will do this, then I will get that this is x square plus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 whole square, and this will be that minus 1 plus 2, this will be plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, and now you can see this is the formula of x plus 1 whole square. Here what can I do? Here you can say that if I will write this one as minus iota square, like what is the meaning of this? You know that that iota square is equal to minus 1, and if I will multiply minus iota square, then this will be minus 1 of minus 1, this will be 1. So in place of plus 1, I can write minus iota square. Okay, so now this is the formula. Like what? You know that if it is a square minus b square, then I can write this as a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so here you can see that a is equal to x plus 1 and b equal to iota. Okay, so I can write this as x plus 1 plus iota into x plus 1 minus iota. Okay, now you got the roots. And what the roots? Here you can say this should be x plus 1 plus iota is equal to 0, or x plus 1 minus iota is equal to 0. And in this case x is equal to minus 1 minus iota, and in this case x is equal to iota minus 1. Okay, so we got two roots for this equation, or for this quadratic equation. Now these two roots I can say that this is alpha, and this is beta. You can say this is alpha and this is beta. Here alpha is equal to, I can write this minus of 1 plus iota, correct, and beta equal to iota minus 1. And now we have to find alpha power 15 and beta power 15. Okay, so in this case if we want to find alpha power 15 plus beta power 15, so I can write this as alpha square power 7 into alpha plus beta square power 7 into beta. Why? Because you can see that if I will multiply this 2 into 7, that is 14, and its power is 1, so it will become 15, and similarly it is 14 and its power is 1, so it becomes 15. So it is equal to this, and here you have to find alpha square. Okay, so for alpha square I will write minus of 1 plus iota whole power 2. Okay, and here you can say that this is 1 plus iota square, and it will be 1 plus iota square plus 2 iota, and this become 1 minus 1 plus 2 iota, and this is 2 iota. Okay, similarly you can find out the beta square, and beta square is iota minus 1 whole square. Here if I will put formula, then this will become alpha iota square plus 1 minus 2 iota, and this will become minus 1 plus 1 minus 2 iota. Okay, so here alpha square is plus 2 iota and beta square is minus 2 iota. Okay, for this here we have to again find alpha square power 7. So when I will find the alpha square power 7, it will become 2 iota power 7. Okay, so 2 power 7 into iota power 7, and here 2 power 7 is 128, and iota power 7 is minus iota. Okay, power 7 I can write as iota square into iota square into iota square into iota, then this becomes minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 iota. So this is become minus iota, minus 128 iota. So similarly, you can find beta square power 7, that is minus 2 iota whole power 7. This also can be written as minus 2 iota power 7 minus of minus 128 iota. Okay. So then it's become 128 iota. We need to find alpha power 15 plus beta power 15, that into alpha, plus beta square power 7 into beta. So here you can see that this is alpha square 7 is minus 128 iota, okay, into alpha, plus beta square power 7 is 128 iota into beta, and in both case 128 iota is common. So here if I will take common this 128 iota, then this becomes minus alpha plus beta, okay. And now this 120 iota minus of alpha is what? Alpha is minus of 1 plus iota, correct? So here I can write this as minus of 1 plus iota, then beta is I minus 1, okay. So I minus 1, okay. So now see that 128 iota, this minus minus is plus, so it's become 1 plus iota minus 1, and plus 1 minus 1 is cancelled, so it's become 128 2 iota, and you know that 128 into 2 into iota square, this 256 minus 1, that is minus 256, okay. Then in this question our answer is 3, okay. Thanks for watching.